Home prices and mortgage rates are on the way down. Welcome back to my Austin, Texas real estate market update. My name is Ryan Gomillion, and I am your Gomillion Dollar agent right here in Austin. I study the market each and every day, doing the research and staying on top of the trends just for you. In this video, we'll discuss the market stats for February 2025 and talk about what they mean for you and your real estate plans. Let's start by comparing the data to this time last year and last month. As of February 1st, the median sales price in the Austin metro area was $400,000. This is down 4.8% from February 1st of 2024 and is down $39,000 from January 1st of 2025. The average days on market is at 88, which is up 8 days from February 1st of 2024 and is up 7 days compared to last month. Closed sales are at 2,032, which is up 2.8% from what we saw on February 1st of 2024. Closed sales decreased by 642 sales compared to January 1st of 2025. New listings are at 4,293, which is up 17.7% from February 1st of 2024. New listings are up by 1,789 compared to January 1st. Homes are selling for an average of 92.4% of their original list price, which is a 0.19% increase from this time last year. This is a 0.1% increase compared to last month. The data shows a massive amount of new listings coming to the market, with demand lagging behind at the moment. Prices and inventory are set up for a busy spring that will favor home buyers. People reach out to me about moving to Austin all the time, and I love it. Whether you're looking to move or sell your home in the next 9 days or 90 days, then call, text, or email me, and I'll be happy to help. February was a little volatile, but we saw an overall decline in mortgage rates. January had a sharp climb and then an equally sharp drop in rates, ending the month at about where it started, but on an overall downward trajectory. February continued that and actually saw rates inch into the sixes for the first time of the year. Rates have been rubber banding a bit between economic reports, but the state of inflation for the US pushed rates into the sixes for a few consecutive days. February, and especially March's economic reports, will be watched closely as we see the first of the data come out after the new economic policies. It'll still be too early for anything meaningful, but the Fed and the bond market will make sure they update their economic outlook quickly as the data rolls in. February does not have a Fed meeting, so we won't have anything official from them until later in March. That mortgage rates started and mostly kept a downward trajectory is great, especially as we enter into the spring real estate season. Late February through September in Austin is the busiest time of the year, so any help for homebuyers from mortgage rates will be greatly appreciated. As I preach across many of my videos and social media content, make sure you look at home prices, taxes, and insurance when considering your home purchase. Mortgage rates can sometimes cause a sticker shock, but when you factor in the rest of what makes up your monthly payment, you might be closer to homeownership than you think. Rates are dropping at a time when homebuyers are considering if this is the right year for them. If you've got questions about financing, reach out to me and I can connect you with one of my trusted lender partners. Homes are still flooding the market. After 2 less than stellar years for home sellers, many are choosing to cut their losses and list regardless of what's going on in the market. Those that chose to rent instead of sell are feeling the slower rental market in Austin, making it harder if you have a property that you're trying to offload. New listings increasing by almost 18% compared to last year shows a lot of optimism about the activity this year, and home sales are rising, albeit not at the same rate as new listings. The months of inventory is still pretty high, currently at 5.82 months at the end of February. This is why home prices are down almost 5% compared to last year, and it shouldn't come as a big surprise when looking back at the past 2 years of steadily increasing inventory. This is a factor that homebuyers are considering though, and especially first-time homebuyers or those looking in the $350,000 to $600,000 range. Prices have gotten to a point where homes are more plentiful in this range, and it is encouraging to those that have been just barely priced out of the market up to this point. I've even seen some homes receiving multiple offers in this price range, which is great news for sellers. It does stress the importance of pricing when listing your home, as multiple offers only come when a price is compelling and is in a condition and location to back it up. Across Austin, homes are selling for an average of 92.4% of their original list price, meaning that even if you are listing where the market says you should right now, things can change, and a price correction or a below asking offer might be options to consider. And as I always recommend, make sure you're putting your home in its best light by investing in high quality photos and marketing, or partnering with an agent who prioritizes that when listing your home. If you're considering selling your home this year, I encourage you to look at your options now so that you can take advantage of the busier spring and early summer markets in Austin. Homebuyers should be feeling hopeful right now. With median prices at their lowest in years and mortgage rates on a downward trend, home purchasing power is high and rising for most home buyers. The lower demand of 2023 and 2024 has led to a surplus of housing inventory and has decreased prices while raising home seller motivation levels. It is not a market crash, nor will there be one, but what we are seeing is a correction to the levels that the market should be at if we took out the pandemic era outlier years. Prices also have corrected to reflect the higher mortgage rates. This has been a slow process, and it isn't possible to say when the quote bottom of the correction will be, or if we are in it now, but the data is showing that now is a fantastic time to purchase a home if the timing is right for you. You do have many options as a home buyer right now, so make sure to consider everything when working on your plan. Resale homes and new construction inventory homes are ideal if you're looking for the best deal and to move quickly. Then building your own new construction home is a great option if your timeline is 6 to 12 months out due to your current lease or a delayed move. You do pay a premium for building a home like this, but have a say in the lot, finishes, and other design elements of your home. Keep in mind that we are entering the busiest time of the year in Austin, and historically home prices do increase from here through October or November. You'll have more competition and may even come across homes that have multiple offers, which affects your offer strategy. Overall though, it is still a buyer's market with many deals out there. If this is your first home purchase, or the first time that you're making a purchase since during or before the pandemic, make sure you're partnering with a buyer's agent that can advise you the best in this current market. In February 2025, the Austin real estate market witnessed a median sales price of $400,000, which is 4.8% lower than this time last year, and an average days on market of 88 days. National mortgage rate averages have dropped to the high sixes, and housing inventory is high and on pace to climb higher. Buyers seem to be cautiously entering the market to take advantage of the current conditions, and sellers are jumping to meet them. Thanks for joining me on this detailed look at the February 2025 Austin real estate market. For more valuable insights and real estate related content, like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you'd like to have a personal conversation about your real estate plans, then reach out to me using the information in the pinned comment below. I'll see you on the next video.